College Assistance Migrant Program. Our college dreams are here. The College Assistant Migrant Program is near. This chance of opportunity is full of cheer as the camp helps students persevere. From all over we come, our hopes and dreams to be done. Through hard work, dedication, and ambition, camp will help us reach our mission. The support of camp is strong and true. It helps us reach for goals that we pursue. It helps us strive for a higher degree, a chance we wouldn't otherwise have for free. Camp is here to stay, to help our dreams and aspirations on their way. It helps us break the barriers and walls so that our dreams are no longer small. This program is truly great. It helps us reach a higher state. So let's thank the camp for what they do and for helping our dreams come true.